Hello. All right, cool. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Happy Thursday. Let me just get Zoom fired up here. Where are we? Invite, copy. London session. All right, Zoom link is in. Let me just sign into Top Step. Start sharing my screen. Yeah, daily no top wick. Yep, daily no top wick. I haven't jumped on the charts much today. I did the market call for the guys in Asia, and it's my first time properly jumping on today. First time jumping off. We had a CPI and FOMC yesterday, which had some crazy moves. Crazy moves. And we have more news today, which we'll have a look into. Phone charger. 2 seconds, guys. Grab a phone charger, and then we'll get started. 2 seconds. Alright, cool. Let's get the guys in on Zoom here. Alright, what's going on Zoom, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. There we go. Is it working there? Yep. I don't know why the mic disconnected there. Mute on YouTube. Yeah, I don't know why. For some reason, OBS had disconnected the mic, but it looks like we're all good now. Yeah, I might have to put it in rice. Try putting it in rice. Cheek. Yeah, that's the consequence. You got to lip read. Oh, nice 5-minute scalp there. I like that. Nice trade, Craig. Yeah, nice. Starting to see a nice push here. Starting to see some nice volume. I think everyone's pretty much here. So let's just jump. Let's jump straight in. Have a look at Goldie. So this was the range we were watching yesterday. This is the range that we said do not trade in. We also said yesterday gold would come up and grab these highs. We grabbed these highs and ripped up much high. Now, I didn't take the buys. You didn't really grab enough lows for me to want to take the buys. They have been grabbed now, but I was looking for price to come down and grab these lows before seeing this push up. So I didn't take the longs. I didn't take any trades on news yesterday. You didn't grab these highs. You ripped up, and then you came all the way back down, grabbed these lows, and had a nice little bounce back here as well. So you grabbed all liquidity on FOMC yesterday. CPI actually, sorry, CPI had this main push. Let's have a quick look at the daily here. And daily is still, you know, you're still respecting this support here, big resistance, but you did still close bullish above previous daily highs. And there's currently no top wick on this current daily, grabbing previous daily lows. So I'm wondering if this day is going to flip up and come a little bit higher one more time. Maybe re-grab these highs one more time. You know, it's not very often that gold closes bullish above a previous high with a big wick and just drops from there. You may need to re-grab that. So yeah, so with no top wick on the daily, we might be able to long up into that, buy into that daily top wick. So let's have a look at the 4 hour here on Goldie. That no top wick area is right here. So that's the current daily open. We've pushed down, 4 hours rejected. You may need to re-grab these lows. If you push up from here, then you'll grab them lows later on. 4 hour not really saying too much really just yet. You're kind of gonna have liquidity down here for now as well. So an area to watch for later on today. If we come up and create that top wick before the news, amazing. We'll be looking to sell news today. Are you manipulating this trend line as well? What the hell was that? Don't do that. Yeah, you are. So you have a trend line coming up here that you've broken out of now as well. You may come back up to retest that one more time. But this is that horrible range that you were in yesterday that I'm honestly not. I'm not going to trade in. I'm not getting stuck in that range. So if we see a breakout, amazing. Buys above here, 100 ticks. Sells below here, 30, and then hopefully continue pushing down 160. So two very, very nice areas. Always wait for liquidity to be grabbed in the 5 or entering. Can you take off the 15? Yeah, I can take off 15 and 30. I can trade into liquidity grabs. 100 all the way. Full margin or nothing. Absolutely. That's what we like to hear. Yeah, I like to trade it into liquidity grabs sometimes as well. You don't always just have to wait for the liquidity to happen. If you can spot key liquidity levels, then amazing. You can trade it into them. Like these highs yesterday, that was our key liquidity level. If we had grabbed some lows, we could have been buying up into it yesterday. They're probably my favorite ones at the minute, actually. My most profitable trades at the minute are trading into the liquidity grabs. Knowing where needs to be grabbed, finding a good enough area to buy or sell into it. And then once you do grab the liquidity, then that's pretty much your trade. You don't have to worry about it. Well, if you start going to breaking out and go long way, you trade into liquidity. So yeah, that's pretty much your trade. Yeah, we haven't had them anymore. We need some more of them. Do you have any news tomorrow? Bank of Japan press conference, Japanese yen monetary policy statements, and then USD consumer sentiment. Wow, you do, yeah. Loads of news tomorrow as well. Big week. Very big week. How's that week looking, actually? Huge. Still respecting that weekly support, but I do still think you're going to rip that. You're going to rip that daily support, come back down into 2250. It's my overall outlook. Overall outlook for gold to still rip these lows, come down into 2250. Whether it happens this week or next week, that is the overall play. Kind of see this hourly rejected, grab these lows, held this support. You didn't grab these lows, but you are holding this support. Currently grabbing previous hourly highs. What time of day do you trade every day? I stream at this time every single day, 7 till 9 a.m. London time, but in terms of when do I execute my own trades, any time of the day. Anytime gold's moving, I'm in. I'm there. Unless I'm asleep. Sitting home. Well, yeah, nice. Good man. Yeah, I take trades anytime. I personally would never not take a trade because it's not in my time session. I don't think that makes sense personally. But these are the times we always go live. 7 till 9 a.m. London time, man. What's up, everyone? What's going on, man? Let me have a look at Bitcoin quickly. I know Bitcoin had a big push yesterday. Did it continue? No, it did not. Look at that. Ooh, bounced again off $70. Look at that. As if you just shorted $70. Fuck, that'd be a huge trade. Huge trade. I wonder how many people FOMO bought into that as well. If I can trade my hours, yeah, you can trade gold at any time. Honestly, man, gold moves well at any time zone. That's the good thing about trading gold. You can trade gold well at almost every single session. That's the reason I love gold so much. If you trade something like Nasdaq, it's pretty much just dependent on the US session. No, 15 just closed. 15 just closed. Kind of grabbing some highs here. Pretty decent rejection there. You find a lot of trading opportunities during Asia? Yeah, plenty. Yeah, loads. Yeah, loads and loads and loads. You could have had some sells in Asia actually. If this was a liquidity grab to rip the highs and push higher, you know, we had buys above here. You could have also had sells below there. And that even today alone, that was a, you know, even 26 into them lows runners, huge. Yeah. Asia gives some good setups. Like I'd say 2 to 3 times a week, sometimes more to be honest. Recently more. So that's Asia today, you know, has had a, what, 150 tick drop? Yeah, huge. Yesterday, no Asia or London because it was FOMC and CPI, but here's Asia again on, when was this? Tuesday? 130 tick drop. A nicer movement than London. Yep. Absolutely. Get some good trades yesterday. It was a good day. Nah, I didn't actually. I didn't take any trades yesterday, but actually, unfortunately, I did wish I took the longs. You know, I was very close to considering a buy stop on news. But I just wanted to see some lows grabbed, and it just ripped. I was happy. I was happy to just watch that. It was fun to just watch. I'll send that on our pre-New York market call as well. It's probably one of them that's worth watching. Van Drive. Yep, all good, man. All good. Join back in, man. Absolutely. Get value just listening, man. Caught the nice buys after the news yesterday. Yeah, nice. Yep. Yeah, he had that big rejection, and you're always going to come down and fill that in. You kind of just got like, you had no bottom wick here, and then just the risk reward was pretty crazy. But yeah, 80 ticks was huge. I don't know if there was like about a 5-minute entry. Was there about a 5-minute entry? Tough. And then came all the way back down. Then corrected. And FOMC. Sent gold all the way back down. Bro, what's going on, man? Do you know if you can set alerts on top states? Nah, you can't, unfortunately. Nah. Unfortunately not. Just on, I just do them on TradingView. I just do them on TradingView, man. through the next legend. Yeah, no worries, man. Yeah, hopefully they add it soon. It'd be cool if you could, because yeah, I have alerts everywhere all the time. But yeah, I personally, I just set mine on TradingView. But you'd think it'd be pretty easy to integrate considering they use TradingView charts. I feel like it'd be pretty easy for them to do at some point. Because you know when you obviously when you right click it, yeah, it just draws the line. Yeah, absolutely, man, absolutely. Got quite a nice long. Oh, nice. Did you silver? Very nice. I haven't checked silver. Wait, what's going on here? Does anyone haven't checked? Should have checked silver. Back down again. Silver's at a very, very interesting level. Very, very interesting level. Look at the monthly. Silver's at a huge area. Huge area. For a bigger swing trade. An average, average buy in silver over the next couple of months to year, $30 is pretty decent. Pretty decent. Absolutely. 30 is a huge level. Morning all. Good morning, man. Good morning. Yeah, 6 months is a long time. Got a little double top up here. A little 5-minute double top up there. I think it's a double top. I'll probably zoom in, yeah. Nice little double top. Yeah, it's like exactly, isn't it? It's literally, I saw zooming in, I was like, it's literally exactly the same. Where is it? Oh. Whatever. What do we look for today? Buy or sells? Already been through it. Yeah, 15, yeah, I like that. Where's that? Oh, you got that one there, yep. Yep. Where's your other one? Up there? Yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah, so nice with this 15 wicks. This is a big 15 wick. I'll be keen to see if this 15 closes bullish, then we'll have two 15 equal highs and then we can start looking for some longs. I was going to see if you were going to dip back down on this 15 after this wick, massively wick the highs. But if this 15 closes bullish, you may bottom wick and get some buys. Now, yeah, that'll actually also be that 30 close, which is looking quite good. So next 15 bottom wick, you'll create two 15 equal highs, or 3 by the time this bottom wicks, and then, well, you could be looking for that. Actually, whilst we wait, I need to. I'm gonna fire up my new FTMO. Oh, sir. How do I add accounts? Log in. Credentials. Twice me, you say, yeah, absolutely, 100%, man. Yeah, you gotta be making way more than your 9 to 5 before you quit it. Unless you do what Mike do when you go, when you go and traveling, it's like, well, it's amazing, you're gonna do that anyway. But to actually quit it and rely on it and like still live a home with bills, etc. Yeah, 100%. Why can I not log into this? No idea. I'll do it after. Hey John, what's going on, man? Hey Ian, what's up, man? Yeah, nice. Leaving two little equal highs here. Can you share market direction for gold? I've just done that. I've already done it. If you want the analysis, you maybe missed it. Just scroll back. But I can't give analysis every single time someone asks. I've already done it. Just go back to the start of the video, and then you can come back to the live section. So that's a good long page news. Yeah, full margin, NFP, CPI, FOMC. If you took 100 lots on this yesterday, you'd have made some very nice returns. Done for the decade. Asia, yeah. Well, Asia was only nice once you had the only move was here. So the sells down here. Once you broke these lows here, you could add buys above here, sells below there. Once you had that push down, that's the move of Asia done. Like if you ever see Asia push down, 130 ticks, that's Asia done. It's always gonna go sideways for the rest of the session. So if you're trying to trade in this little bit, yeah, easily to get break even. Even if London pushes down, any session push down that much, you're just gonna range for the next bit of it. So yeah, I think the nicest opportunity was sells below this low here. If that's a liquidity low to push higher, you won't need to break it. But if you do, two little equal lows, support, big dip, big dip. 50 seconds to this. 15 is gonna close. A 15 bottom wick, and we could have some longs here on gold. I'm looking at the 5 minutes, not really showing too much just yet, but the 15 is looking nicer. 15 dip down, and then we want the longs up into here. Just play this little annoying range. Yeah, oh, that's so true, man. Hey, you honestly probably could. It's the only real way. All right, let's do it. All right, 1 minute Morningstar there. Longs. TP. Yeah, Yeah, it was actually a nice little 1 minute trade there. Grab the lows, close bullish. What were the stops on that? Maybe we got to start trading the 1 minute. 6 tick stop loss. What do you hit? About 20. All right. 15 bottom wick. Yeah, it actually is. Yeah, I never really look at it, but it actually is. Yeah, it actually is. I'm not on this place. I'm just looking. Need a little bottom wick here. This is the 30 as well. So if you want to see some lows, if you want to see that 30, give a decent bottom wick. All right, I did take that. Stops break even. The 1 minute gold here. I wonder if I don't think I've ever taken a trade in the 1 minute on gold. It would be pretty crazy. I mean, it's a pretty nice move. Grab the highs, close bearish. Grab the lows, close bullish. Buy stop on this current 1 minute. But even nicer if that grabbed the previous little 1 minute low. 5 minute on the futures here looks like it's gonna dip a little bit lower. Kind of like a little morning star, evening star on the 5 minute on Goldie right now. See, looks like we need to grab some lows. Let's go back to 5. So that 15 close. Yeah, you're going to have, you got 1, 2, 3, 15 equal highs here now, which is very nice. There's a decent amount of liquidity to the upside now. Anytime you see 3 equal highs on the 15 or the 30 or anything higher, you're always going to rip them. But looking at this range, kind of had 1, 2, 3 here. It did take quite a while to actually rip them. Get paid to do ML, yeah, and a good man. Smart. Let's see if we can wick these lows and then start looking for longs out of here. And then we can get a decent stop loss. See if we can get a little push up. So date to 13th. I can't believe it's Thursday already. I don't know where the hell this week's gone. The week has flown by. Lost 250k accounts yesterday. Just reflect on whatever you did right or wrong, man. I didn't take a single trade yesterday because you had CPI and FOMC. Doesn't really make too much sense to try and trade on them days. It's easy to blow up. Yeah, the longs were, you kind of had 1, 2, 3 colors here, wicked out the longs. I don't want to see that closure back above there though. So trying to buy off that 15 would have been the cleanest one. 7 a.m. There's the 5. Yeah, it didn't really, kind of closed above bottom wick, just pushed. Okay, from those 4 bullish candles. Awesome, man. Good work. Beautiful. Come on, Goldie, wick some lows without grabbing these highs, so we can buy this mofo. Yeah, you just push. Yeah. This one was nice because you did actually, this one here, 32 equal lows, grab the lows, close bullish, bottom wick and then push. But it's a very, what is it? It's 28 ticks. Are you going to grab some lows or not, Goldie? Don't need a steep wick? Nah, not really. Broke above the level of resistance, retested it and pushed. Where would it need to bottom wick more into? It's broken above the level. That's where it needs to bottom wick into. But it doesn't really matter about where it can bottom wick into. As long as you take the break of the high, you're pretty much good. Re-breaking the highs here. Stop loss, probably just down below there. If it closes back below, that's probably a stop loss. If you wanted a hard stop, probably just below the 30 low once you get tagged in. If it re-breaks the low once it flips bullish, and then it's probably just going to come much lower, so you can just risk off. Risk off that low. I think it's probably the cleanest. I think, but yeah, more so if if you took longs once it closed above bottom weights here, you would be managing if it then closed back below. So even if you had a hard stop here, you'd be managing it like actually around here. Quick as £30. God damn. Oh, good man, good man. Well, yeah, nice. Yeah, look at that. But also, if your game if your game plan is you close back into range, don't trade that range because you zoom out. We stayed in this range yesterday for like over 12 hours. Like if it broke back into range, and you just say you don't want to trade that range, I think that's also good. That's also smart. Yeah, I'll try to, Harry. It's at like 4 a.m. or something stupid. 5 a.m. for me on Monday, and then 2 a.m. on Friday. Like it's so annoying. I love watching the Euros as well. It's almost impossible. Maybe if we can coop up an FOMC evening and then into England the Euros, then we'll get it going. FOMC at 4 a.m. England in the Euros at 5 a.m. would be pretty good. It's like being a full-time trader. Do you do anything else than trading? Yeah, you got to do way more. Yeah, full-time trading is actually incredibly boring. You got to do other stuff. You got to do other stuff outside of trading. Like trading is in itself. If that's all you do, yeah, it's incredibly boring. Which sounds stupid because when you first start trading, you think like full-time trader would be the best job ever. Which don't get me wrong, it is, but it's stressful and incredibly boring. You have to have other things, I guess. You have to have other things outside of trading. Different endeavors and different things to keep your mind active. Lone Wolf Johnny, yeah, 100%, man. Pro golfer. I retired from golf. My golfing career is over. I couldn't get into golf, but I've been going to MMA sessions like 4 times a week every day. 4 times a week every day. What the fuck does that mean? 4 times a week every morning, for like an hour. I like doing that every day. It gets me out in the morning. Gets me up. Gets me out. Keeps me fit. Yeah, when all your mates have job. Yeah, so true, man. Yeah, that's it. Literally. Like I hate that word, but financial freedom. If you're doing it on your own, it's incredibly fucking boring. Unless you do other things. That's why I like to travel so much and do all these other things, like host the retreats. Because if I just sat here trading all the time, yeah, it'd be very lonely, very, very, very boring. It can become a very dark road as well. Come on, grab some lows, gold. Grab some lows, and I want to take the break of some highs. You have a lot of liquidity up here. Yeah, I think it did. Yeah, this one. I was thinking that as well, man. Yeah, I think it actually did. Yeah, it actually did. Yeah, it actually did. What about that? Yeah, you lose. Yeah, social aspect for sure. Yeah, definitely. You have to be more of like an introverted person to be a good trader, I think. I'm very much more of an introverted person anyway, so that's why I kind of like trading. But yeah, if you're more of like an extrovert, you just need to do other things outside of trading. But that's why it's good though, you know. That's why it's good to do. It's good to do other things. Yeah, by 0.05. Yeah, I just said zoom in, but I actually did. Yeah. Cool. So we're grabbing some lows now. So if we can re-break this high, we're gonna look for some longs. Seem the exact opposite from an introvert? Yeah, I would imagine that, but yeah, I actually am. Well, I am, but I'm not. Like I'm a bit of both. I love being around people, but I also love my own space as well. I like both. Yeah, travel streaming. Yeah, streaming. Yeah. What do you recommend about visiting Bali? What do I recommend about visiting Bali? You mean like where's good to go, or like do I recommend it as a full-time trader? Yeah, it's good. It's good if you want to live cheap and you want to be on a good time zone and you want to grind out and train. Yeah, it's a great place for it. It's a good place to go spend a few months there for sure. Shorts. I would need to see previous 30 highs grabbed, I think, man. Because you kind of got two 30-minute equal highs here. And that's kind of what I'm looking to target. So I wouldn't really want some shorts until these are grabbed. It's kind of like a perfect level there. How much would you earn a week where you look rather snuff this week? I don't think there's such thing, to be honest. I don't really get to a point where I make so much and it's like, oh, wait there. We're grabbing some 5-minute highs, too busy talking here. We just wicked out some 5-minute lows there, starting to close bullish. Starting to flip bullish, I mean. What would that be looking like? If you were to risk... If you were to risk off that low... The only thing is, your break-even point is very aggressive. The 26 up into there. Let's see. I'll wait for the next 5. Because you got resistance right there. So let's just wait for the next 5. But you have just grabbed the lows nicely. They've done exactly what we said. Grab the lows, starting to flip bullish. So it's shaping up for a potential entry soon. But how much in a week? I don't really know, mate. I don't know. 5,000-10,000 maybe. I don't really look at like a week by week basis and think, yeah, that's probably enough for this week. It's all about how you're feeling mentally, to be honest. You know, like on last Friday on FP, I had like a $6,000 day. You know, I guess I could say I could take the next few weeks off, but I just don't really. I don't really trade for like the numbers. Yeah, 100%, Mark. Yeah, it's all about following the process, and the money will come accordingly. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, nice. 2 contracts, 210. Yeah, nice work, Ross. Nice trade, man. Take the rest of the day off. Yeah, well, it was about midnight. I was done. So yeah, that was me done. How much do you risk in your live capital? Over 5% sometimes. Absolutely, AJ. Absolutely. So this 5 minutes closing bullish. If we get an instant bottom wick, I'm going to look to market execute some sells. Let's see if we get an instant bottom wick here. You're closing back bullish. The 15's also just closed bullish. You'd have to risk off this 5 low. You're risking about 15. Let me just have a quick look at that 5, 15. Yeah, 15 still closing nice. Can we get a little bit more? All right, I'm going to look for a buy here on Goldie. Yeah, I'm taking a long here on gold. What did I just do? Yeah, cool. I've just taken a long there on Goldie. Stop's gonna go and blow that 5 low. I'm seeing if we can just rip this higher. I will manage this trade if we don't drive, because the 5 minute is pretty choppy, but this trade's based off this 30 continue to flip back bullish. So if we don't drive, just with how choppy we've been, I will manage risk aggressively if we don't drive. But we're only risking hard stop is about 14 ticks here. If we close back anywhere back below here, I will look to manage. I didn't get a very good fill there. Why am I 19? We'll buy one more. As soon as we wick these highs as well, you know, we will have to manage. But ideally, we can run this up into here for like 20. Why do you trade gold instead of ES and NQ? It just moves nicer for me. I just find gold moves cleaner. It's more consistent, and it moves good in my time zones. Yeah, 2 tick spread from top step. Yeah, I had at least that, man. Yeah. I had at least that. What is it? Where's my entry? Yeah, at least 2. Maybe I had 1. Let me put a hard stop here. I didn't put a hard stop yet. Once we do start to flip bullish, you know, we will look to manage as well. Like I say, if this doesn't drive in this 5 minute, I will consider cutting this early. $15 equal lows. We kind of got the equal highs as well. You did just close above this range, so I would worry about these lows. If we close back below here, then you know we can take fake out sells. But as long as we've closed above, kind of got to react to that first. And you still got two 30-minute equal highs. That's what I'm looking to rip, at least to wick these highs. 2 minutes. If this 5 doesn't, like I say, if this 5 doesn't drive, I will be managing aggressively. Do you not require Asia highs or lows to be taken for entering? Nah, I don't look at Asia highs and lows at all. Not at all. I don't look at session highs and lows now. Never. Yeah, let's go down to the 1 minute barrier. Yeah, good shout. Nice little 1 minute evening star for me here. Risk off that low soon. Come on, Goldie, be good to us. Give us some volume. I remember we are in this range that we decided not to trade yesterday, so we have to manage aggressively here. Here's that ugly range we were stuck in yesterday. Zoom out a bit. This is what we have to work with. So that's why we got to be aggressive. Aggressive with the management. We've got 1 minute here. Hard stop is only 13.6 ticks, but like I say, you can keep it there and hold it if you want to, but I will manage before that. You know, if we start just closing here, I'll close it like -3 ticks. I don't really care. Close it like 3, and then you can do is just re-enter once it becomes reconfirmed. If you close back below here, it will be invalid. $20 seconds here on Goldie. Give us some rejections, Gold. If we don't reject, I'll probably be just cutting this. You could just range. One from Spain. Come on, man. Let's see, 7 seconds. 7 seconds. 4. Let's get ready. Let's see, how do we open? You get instant top wick, instant bottom wick. Instant bottom wick. Nah, I'm closing there. I'm closing there. I don't like that. I've just cut that at -5 ticks. I'm not interested in holding that trade. We're just ranging. We're chopping up. I will re-enter if we re-break back above the highs, but I've just closed that there. I don't wanna hold that. I would have wanted to see where are we? I wanted to see this 5 minute just have that quick drive. Because you're still at big 30 resistance, so unless we start breaking the highs, we'll re-enter. Oh, sorry, wrong screen. Unless we start re-breaking the highs, we'll re-enter. But yeah, I'm out. I closed that. Or are we minus? Yeah, about minus. Where are we? 72. No, my entry wasn't that good. I actually closed that maybe like minus 10, maybe minus 10. About 7. Where are we? 60. Why have I got like 1? I got like 9, 1, 10, 1. Yeah, about minus like 7 or 8-ish. If we get back above, you know, we will re-enter. But I don't want to get stuck in a range. And we got the hourly close soon as well. Look at that hourly. Look at just all this shit to the left. If this hourly closes bullish, bottom wick, and then that will actually still be a good trade. Closed -9 ticks. Yeah, good man. -9 ticks is amazing. Good work. -9 is fantastic. Yeah, safer to wait for a breakout. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. That's the thing. When you can cut your trades so quick when they don't go as you've initially planned out, you can give yourself like a good couple of trades for the day. We get, you know, because we cut that trade like -7, 8 ticks. Let me post it in Discord. You know, we can take like another 3+ trades today if we really wanted to. Let me just post that in Discord. Minus, I think I got like, what was it? Minus about 7, but all in all, I'll say -8. Volume. If you do continue pushing down from here, though, you do have this very perfect double top, which will be really nice to get grabbed after. Real nice. One minute till this 5's going to close. Let me clean up these levels. These levels are a bit of a mess. Kind of your resistance is more so here, like there, and here. Fake out, support, broken, resistance broke above, fake out. The only time that I'll cut through bodies when I'm doing my levels like this is when you close below and then straight back above, or close above and then straight back below. Then it kind of confirms the fake out. So here's your current range on gold. This is what we're working with, which is still you know, 40 tick range. But I reckon this is going to close somewhere up here. This hourly will give the bottom wick, which could give to grab some lows, and then we could be looking for this. Look at that. That's what we want. Exactly like that as well, with them loops and everything. Yeah, it's good. It's good, Ross. It's good, man. Been going 4 times a week, do jiu-jitsu 2 times a week, and striking 2 times a week. So yeah, sometimes, man. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, I'm fighting McGregor. Could work as 2 wonders. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, AJ, 100%, man. 2 minutes. So you've just grabbed 5-minute lows. You still close bullish. If you get an instant bottom wick, I was gonna say you can consider giving it another shot. Nah, not yet. Actually, I told him to get involved. Because you've just rejected, you've re-grabbed the lows, now close back bullish. If the resistance wasn't right there, I would consider giving that another try. I'm gonna draw up. I'm not taking this, by guys. I'm not. This is just for forward testing purposes. Let's just see how this goes. Because the 5-minute did just have a little liquidity grab there. I'm not taking this though. Alright, not that big. There you go, now you're grabbing the highs. So if you're in this trade, now you can go BE. There you go, there's that fucking rip we wanted. I knew that was coming. That's the move we wanted. That was a nicer re-entry. You close back bearish, you grab the lows, still close bullish. That was probably the nicer entry. And you'll probably come all the way up into here now. Got us out. Then watch it rip. Yeah, big rip. What are you hitting there? You're hitting 12, 13 still. Is very small. I'd be holding minimum to these highs here. If you are still in this, just go break even. I'm not in this, but go break even. You want to hold to at least here. About 23 ticks. London open as well. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Why do I have an alert? Where did that come from? I didn't set that. Needing the phase 2 to go shut my nose. That's crazy. Yeah, they're pretty much. You can just take it there. 20 ticks. That was the move we wanted. Oh well, shit happens. 2008, 10 contracts. Nice, yeah. 20 got 20 ticks. Beautiful, man. That was the push. Done for the day. Nice. You guys. Some of you guys held. Well done. Very well done. Where was our entry? Here, off this one. Our hard stop was originally down here. Could have moved it to there once this candle closed. Risking 8 for 20, like 2.5 risk reward. Yeah, nice, yeah. Quick 20, yeah, nice. Yeah, you guys did. Fully closed. Nice. Got it. Nice. Well done. If you guys did get it, amazing. 21.81, yeah, amazing. Great entry. Very nice entry. Re-entered and got it. Yeah, nice, Alan, nice. The re-entry was nice. I was just scared of the range, but yeah, the re-entry was actually really nice. Yeah, good work. Good work. 22, nice. Well done. Good job. Must be nice. Yeah, it must be nice. Birthday ticks are closing laptop. Happy birthday, Alan. Happy birthday, man. Birthday bank. Where's all these cakes coming from? Yeah, last five of the last five of the owlie, given the volume. Always the way. Always the way. Look at that owlie now. Fulfilled this whole entire range. That was the push we wanted. It was unfortunate. Yep, this is the 5-minute. Yep, I held. Yep, well done. Well done. My hard stop was here. I just cut it once it closed back bearish because I just didn't want to get stuck in a range. But then you did end up re-grabbing the lows, closing bullish. So as soon as you do that, there's your liquidity grab. That becomes your new stop. Could even try and get re-enter on that candle, would it be nice? And then boom, big push. Catch me again, is that okay? Business idea, yeah, I'm in. Closed half, should I close the rest? Should I hold the rest? Yeah, I would hold the rest, yeah. Owlie's just closed bullish. As soon as this Owlie starts to flip bullish and grab the highs, you can trail your stop below this current Owlie low if you wanted to. You are back into this annoying Owlie resistance, but you may come and push all the way back up into here. But at least be break even and yeah, close. If you close 50%, yeah, that's great. That's great. If this 5 can flip, I might consider re-entry. 20. The risk reward wouldn't be very good though. Got 15 ticks, 5 micros. Yeah, nice. Some self-discipline. Yeah, that's good, man. It's good, man. Yeah, no 15 lows. Yeah, it's true. Wow, yeah. Yeah, huge. So it's wicking out them lows have been... Let me just... let's get rid of this now. Because the Owlie has just closed so bullish, it's a very, very nice instant bottom wick. Could we look for a re-entry soon? See if this 5 finds some support, grabs some lows and starts breaking out. You may have some re-entries here. Strong rejection back down. Look at that. Yeah, retail trap. Yeah, could give a good indication of where news could go today. If we do push down from here. Look at that. Straight back down. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. We won't be taking the 5 flip anytime soon. Look at that. That's crazy. I was thinking, although you're going to grab them high at some point, you did. Like I say, you came straight back into that resistance, straight back down. Straight back down. You grabbed any 15 lows yet? Yeah, nice. Yeah, you have now. Yep. How's the 4 hour looking? Oh, yeah, I mean, look at this 4 hour. Looks like you're going to come and grab these lows. Hourly. School run, cheers, man. Have a good day. Oh, yep, you too, Alan. Have a good day, man. Yeah, good short TP. Yeah, it's always. I mean, whenever you're hitting 20 ticks on a scalp, yeah, 100%. Like I said, although you're gonna grab these highs, it's it's less than 2 ticks where you just want to lock it in. Lock it in. How's this 5 gonna close? heavy. Heavy. Top wick on that 5. I wonder if this out now that you have this decent of a bottom wick, if this can flip, yes, you could have a very nice drive. Like if you just take the flip this alley, maybe time to come much higher. If this alley can flip, it could be very nice. Now that you've wicked all them 15 lows that we said hadn't been grabbed as well, which was a good point. Now that you've just grabbed previous 15 lows, if you start to break out from here, more longs, more longs. Take that flip up into there, 20, 30, 27. I want to see a closure probably back above this little resistance area. Ignore this as the liquidity. I'm probably just back above there, or even here. I'm looking over here. Anything back above this area could be good. Thing is, you close back above here where your resistance is right there. It's 10 ticks. It's just a really shitty range. But I mean, yeah, there's any kind of bullish closure, little bottom wick in it. It may be worthwhile, but you just have to be wary that you are trading a range. I thought resistance. Well, I thought resistance doesn't really matter because you're gonna at least grab these highs here, and that'd be where you start to manage. Which would be like 17. So at that point, you'd already be managing a risk, and ideally you can get the breakout. If you come back to this resistance again, you're not going to drop from it. You're going to break it. Because if you come back, absolutely, Barry. If you come back to this resistance again, that'll be where most people will try and short. By that time, it'll be too late, and that's when you'll rip it. I'll absolutely show you what it looks like. Where are we? This is what it will look like. Thought you'd never ask. There you go. Is that good enough? Yeah, literally, literally off the charts. Looking for sales now. Proof is not a demo account. Nah, it is demo. It's demo, man. Yeah, you're right. You got me. How's that 5 minutes closed? 5 minutes closed back. Just closed back bullish there. 15. Yeah, I reckon we can wait to this 15 to close. I don't think you're gonna flip in 4 minutes, but you want to see if you're gonna get back above, like, I mean, it's so messy, but at least back above there. How come you don't do it on a live account? I just like to trade demo, man, because then I can just, you know, reset all the losses and stuff. I think you can, Mario. I know you can on Top Step in general. We don't take trades yet. No financial advice here. Just entertainment purposes. Because Mario, you can have practice. You can have practice accounts on Top Step, so I would assume you probably can, man. Yep. Only 36 likes, 200 watching. I know, you tell him, man. Up to 45. Oh, there you go. We might actually start to flip soon. So, do you ever trade a live account? No, never trade a live, never shown live account, nothing there, never. Only trade demo, man. Rebreaking 5 highs. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think you do need a practice account to be able to get the practice, and I think you can do it from your dashboard, I believe. This actually might give us a nice 15 close. Yeah, mine, Robbie, was about 1. Mine wasn't as bad as 2. Mine was about 1. Mine was about 1 tick. Demo gang here, better than making money. Absolutely. I know. Look, watch this. Look, I'll show you something. Look, watch. If it's your first time, rather than asking a question like that, just ask it in a normal way. Look, I'll show you something crazy. Look, watch this. Wait there. We're gonna do something absurd. You guys on Zoom, if you want to go on YouTube, we're gonna do something crazy. Look, watch this. Look, if we just go here, look at this. If we just go click this. Look, videos. Look at that. Videos. We just use our mouse to scroll down. If we just go, let's click on this one. You know, one that we just posted 21 hours ago. We'd use a little bit of logic and just have a look. Let's just scroll along. Look. If you miss a trade because I got to show this to you, you owe us. Look, if we just go here, look at that. Crazy. Look, it's 15. How long was this? It's 2 minutes. Yeah, trade debate was always spot on for me as well, man. Yeah. I know, Mo. It's all fun and games. But now this one I'm trading here. This is I trade this Top Step account here. This is a Top Step account. $15. You have grabbed 15 lows. You are respecting pretty nice here, actually. Yeah, it's true, Ian. To get FX spread. Yeah, there's still spreads in, man, but on Blueberry, it's very good. I use that one for main trading the 30 and higher, man. It's usually about like 1 to 2 max. 1 to 2 max. Hey, where did you see? I did not know you could see that, Rory. How did you see that? Yeah, it is, Sean. Yeah. It is, man. It is. He has to watch his dog. Maybe I need to go get him. 15 instant top wick here. We want to see a bottom wick form before we can take these longs. That's why I ask. Sorry, it's okay, man. It's all good, man. It's only banter. You're in your rights to ask, man. You can ask your questions. There's nothing wrong with skepticism in the trading world, man. Skepticism is a good thing. But no, any trades that are on my YouTube channel are trades we've taken on stream. That's a ridiculous trade. Oh. I now only post trade recaps on my channel of trades that we take on stream. I wish this gave us a bottom wick so we could enter this fucker. Because if this, I mean, this 30 could flip. The 15's come down. You've wicked out the lows. Instant top wick. We ideally want to see this give us the bottom wick, so then we can go in. I mean, unless this just closes bullish with a 15 bottom wick, then we can take the break of the 30 high. Follow your progress. Yeah, awesome, man. Awesome. Good to have you on the stream, man. On the order window, yeah. I don't have that on mine. But let me put it back up. Where are we? How do you add shit to your chart again? Here. Order. No, I don't. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, I do have that mine. Yep, I do. Yeah. Wait, what the hell am I? I'm on 10-year notes. No, gold. Oh yeah, 0.2. Yeah, nice. Yep, nice. 0.1. It'd be interesting to see what it's like in. Oh my god, look at this 15. Fucking hell, gold. 30's about to flip bullish here as well. Can we get a 5 entry instead? No, you're gonna rip these highs. That's right. I need at least a 5 closure. Yeah, you tell him, Ron. Based in Australia, and timing makes easy to trade. London session in the evening. Wait until a minute. Yeah, nice. Yep, nice, man. Yep. Oh my god. Did it give a little one? Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, there's a little fucker on there. That's crazy. That's the good thing about fucking hell, gold. That's the good thing about being in Australia. You can live your life during the day. Work your job and still grind in the evening, man. That's the good thing about it. And you don't even really need to trade New York, to be honest. You can sometimes just trade London. If gold wanted to give us a bottom wick, that'd be fantastic. Where was our longs from today? Here. Look at this fucker. Look how many times it dicked around. Crazy. Yeah, London's way to go. Yep. Yeah, London's the best for me. London and Asia are the best for me. You got the 1 hour flip. Wow, nice. Yeah, nice. Yep. Here. Yep. If you're in the 1 hour flip, you probably manage already. It's only 7, but you do want to manage as soon as you start grabbing these highs. Goldie's playing hard to get today. Playing very hard to get. What a beautiful push. Yeah, all I need is a bottom wick. That 15 just opened instant top wick, which is crazy. Very rare, but sometimes happens. Shit happens. Run him in the 1 hour flip at break even. Yeah, nice. Yep, good man. Yep. The 1 hour flip and 30 flip was from about here, I believe, which is, yeah, you're up like 13. May not be worth securing, because I think you can actually run much more, but yeah, definitely worth being BE. I didn't get that one, but yeah, if you're in from there, yeah, definitely be break even, because as soon as you start tapping back into like here soon, that'll be management. If we don't tap into there and we get a bottom wick, fantastic. I'd like to be in this puppy as well. Instant 5 bottom wick. Anything is here now. Where's stops? Yeah, 4 is a lot. Well, let me have a practice one we could try on. Let me go. Do I still have this practice one? Yeah. I don't know how I still have this here, but this one that's here. Look, let's just see. So if we go, let's do it here so we can actually see. Oh my days, that was bad. That was bad. That's pretty crazy. Do you guys on Zoom just see that? This is that one that's up 196,000 or something. That was. I haven't seen that bad in a while. If you guys do keep seeing that, try and screen record it or screenshot it. That was crazy. Like, I'm actually gonna take a screenshot of that. I have never had it that bad. That was really bad. Good thing that was just a practice one. If that was my real one, I'd be pissed. What happened? It was just it's just when you click it, you should be filled at the exact same price you click buy it, especially on futures. Yeah, I've been getting better fills than FX. Yeah, fucking hell. Thought that was normal. No, it should be on futures. It should be the second you press buy. It should be the exact price. That's the reason we moved to futures. Oh, what happened? Oh shit! Sorry, I forgot I wasn't sharing the screen with you guys on YouTube, but I was testing out the spreads on Top Step X, and it was quite high. This is just a practice account here. This is one that was just booming, but we put in a buy. We clicked it, pressed buy here, and we were filled like somewhere all the way up here, which was actually really bad. It would be interesting, Robbie, if you do go back to Tradeovate, if you get the same experience. Yeah, limit orders. Yeah, not a bad idea. But I mean, you shouldn't have to. Tradeovate's still fine, really. Really. How many hours? I don't know. It's about 4 or 5 maybe in the actual content, and then if you wanted to watch, past like mentoring sessions and stuff, they're about an hour long each. There's about 5 of them, I believe, and we do one every single month. Yeah, it's cool with 14. Yeah, nice. 3%. Let's go. I'm done for the night. Calling it, looking myself out. Yeah, amazing, man. Thank you for what you do. Yeah, appreciate you tuning in, man. Good work. 3% is awesome. Good work, man. Good work. If you guys took this flip of the hourly, break even's okay there. Break even's okay. Don't mind about breaking. What do you hit? Here's a 14. Yeah, if I secure 14, break even's good. 29 points. Amazing. Tradeovate good futures. Yeah, absolutely. Definitely. You can do Tradeovate on Top Step as well. Yeah, 10 ticks didn't take it. Yeah, I don't blame you, man. I wouldn't either. I'm good as 30 now, though. It's a bit of a weird day on Goldie. We're still just in this range that we were stuck in yesterday in the London session, which is a little bit frustrating, but yeah. You just got to be managing your trades more aggressive in these ranges. You can still take your trades because, if you do catch the breakout, you'll get a nice move, but you just got to be open to a couple of break evens in this area. I'm gonna shoot now. Cheers, Aaron. Yep. No worries, man. See you next time. Can you show again the results of practice? Yeah, this one. This was an account where I passed it on a news trade, but I made too much. So the balance on this account is up 196,000. I don't know how it's still here. I hope I'm not still paying for it, but I passed it on a news trade, but I didn't put in a hard TP, so you can't make more than 50%. But I did, and then I was trying to lose money on purpose. Where is it? I think it was around here. Where is it? I was trying to lose money on purpose, and I just kept making more money. So then I started to go trade Nasdaq, and then I kept making more, and then it got to about 1 or 2 a.m. my time. Because I was, because if you make more than the profit target, you just got to bring it back down by taking losses, and I couldn't lose, because we don't lose. And then I just kept making more, and then by the end of it, I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna go to bed. So yeah, all in all, the balance was up. It's still up 196,000. It's got to be the best top step record for sure. It's got to be. Suffering from success. It was really annoying though, because I actually had a really good trade that would have smashed into the 150, but yeah, we don't lose. We just kept making more bank. I was like, you know what? Let me go trade Nasdaq. I never trade Nasdaq. Let me go full margin Nasdaq. Nah, I just kept winning. Yeah, hate money and not want to win. Yeah, 100%. That's how you really win. Let me see if I can get the actual. Do I still have the metrics on it? Let me see. I wish I had that issue. Well, the thing is, I was like, I keep winning. I guarantee if I'd gone to trade my personal, I would have lost. I can guarantee it. Which is how it works. Where is it? Ineligible. Why is it still here then? Where's the chart? That's got to be a top step combine record, surely. Look at that. That's not what you want in equity growth. So that's when I ended up that day. So I passed it, and I must have been up here, and I kept trying to take losses, and the balance was up to 195,000. And then I just said, fuck it, I'm going to bed. And this was getting like 2 a.m. I was like, fuck this. So yeah, just make sure if you're on the combine and you're close to passing and there's news, just put in a hard TP so you don't run into that issue, because it's pretty annoying. Yeah, all in one day. Yeah, all in one day. Yeah, all in one day. Yeah. Habitat. It's still here. I don't know why I still have it. Which, speaking of which, I'm gonna make sure I'm not still paying for it, because you can technically still pass it. I just have to now make a ridiculous amount. So it's not over, but it basically is. Where's I see billing 239. No, I'm not paying for it. I don't know why I still have it. I haven't paid for it. Not play. Imagine that was live. That'd been one of the most insane days ever. Just go on tilt and just keep fucking smashing it. I don't think I've ever had a day where you go on tilt and you just keep smashing it. It's usually the opposite. How do you put in hard TP? So I'll show you whilst we got this one here. So let's just say if you take a sell on gold right now, on here, you just drag and drop this, and you can put in a hard TP, and it will show you the dollar amount. So if you can't make more than this much a day, well then just put in a hard TP there just to be safe, just in case it does rip down. But if you're on like TradeAway or something and you're in a sell, then your TP wants to be a buy order. So if you're in a sell here, then you put a buy order down here, and vice versa. Yeah, weird day on Goldie. Look at that 15. 15 ended up coming back down to create that bottom wick, which is crazy. Ripped the highs, now closing back into the range. What's next? Down here. Yeah, I did. I did. So you can change the value, which is cool, man. Yeah, I like that. I do like that. It's quite good, actually. I don't mind it having the dollar because that's on like a separate screen to this one I'm looking at. But it's yeah, it's pretty good. Huge full margins. Well, I mean, this account. How do I see what I need to pass? This account. I don't know how I can still trade it, but this one we absolutely can. Yeah, I should have done it on like a news day yesterday. I didn't even think. Next time we get a big news day, today actually, we'll do it. Entertainment purposes only though. Yeah, fucking 15 contracts on NAS. I still think I'd have to make it like a ridiculous amount though. It's something like, where is it? How do you find what you need to make? Is on. Yeah, on the dashboard. Yeah, why can't I see it? Mine's not loading properly. Oh wait, there. It's trying to. Oh, there you go. So, best day kind of going. So to meet this target, make an additional 83,000. 2 or more trading days. Oh, that doesn't have to be in one go. Wait, what? So if you hit more than your 50%... Oh, wait, let me share my screen, guys. Just in case you guys ever do go... yeah, 83,000, yeah. Just in case you do ever go over it, it looks like you don't need to do it all in one day. Split this up into 2 or more days. So you don't have to do that all in one go. So if you guys ever go a little bit over and you got to make however much back more, like I have to make 83,000, you don't have to do that all in one day. You could do that over like the month or something. Yeah, for me to pass 150k, I got to make 83,000. Apparently I've made 37. I'm not sure how that is, but yeah. Trying a big news day. Yeah, I should have done it yesterday. I thought I had to do that in one day. That's why I just haven't even touched this account. Additional 17. Yeah. I thought it was in. I honestly thought it was in one day. That's actually not too bad. Apparently I've already done 37, so I've got how much to go. Oh really? If you go over 500. I got you. Well, we'll see what news do we have today. PPI, I think. We'll see what PPI brings today. Physics exam tomorrow. I'm in trading instead of studying. Get that studying, man. Get that studying in. Get it over and done with. Trading's going nowhere, man. I can't talk. I hate studying in school, but I hated school. I hated school, but it's also like probably the best times of your life without even realizing. I remember my mum used to tell me the school's days are the best days of your life. I'd say hell no. But actually, it really was. Oh, not the best, but it was very good times, yeah. But yeah, I hated school personally. I was just always down the skate park like a cool kid. 30 looks like it's creating an even start to push down. You haven't grabbed any 30 lows in a while. You're out at the highs of the range after just grabbing these highs here. You may push down from here, but then, I mean, like if you look at this, like, you know, you could take sales on the flip of the body. Stop above that high is a very safe stop. If you break that high, you're going to come much higher, and you could be looking to play this little range. It's just not really worth it for me. I think there'll be an easier trade than that today. Counter-Strike, yeah, nice, yeah. So I'm not liking it. It's really ugly. But I'm going to jump off Legends. Got to make sure trade safe. Yep. Enjoy, Mark. See you next time, man. Bedtime, leaving run it. Yeah. Good work, man. See you next time. From 231124. Beautiful, man. Amazing. Good work, man. Good work. As long as you've locked a decent amount in, that's a great entry. Great position. But yeah, I'm going to Singapore in 13 days. I think 13 days or something, which would be cool. And then Vietnam for about 10 days. Mr. Bond Wine, absolutely. Absolutely, man. We may have to call it soon here, guys. I don't really see too much, I'll be honest, unfortunately. The only thing I like about the sells is the fact that you have wicked out the highs and closed back below this resistance. Sells on the 30 look nice. The only thing is, if you do take it, it's one of them where you'd want to take it, have in your hard stop, and just come back for 30 close and see how it closes. I wouldn't be watching the 5 minute today. Not yet anyway. Like I say, you know, you're not gonna sit in this range all day. You're gonna break out of this range at some point today. And do you want to be the one trying to call when it's gonna break out, or do you want to be the one just reacting to when it does break out? I think we want to be the ones reacting to when it does break out. You know, but when we were in this range yesterday, we stayed in this range from 12:30 at night, London time, all the way until 1 p.m. That's like over 12 hours. So I don't really want to get too trapped in this. And like I say, this is a big range, which, you know, you can be, oh, cool, like I could trade that range. You can, but you can also get trapped in it. Getting trapped in a 40 tick range is not fun. It's not fun. Day live stream during your trip. I'll do some YouTube ones, but they will mainly be... I'll probably do some YouTube ones 2 or 3 times a week. They'll mainly be in Zoom. They'll be mainly on Zoom on Discord, because I won't have a full setup, so I'll just be using my laptop gear. But yeah, I'll still be trading as normal, yep. Definitely. I do stream every day, man. Every day, 7 to 9 a.m. London time. Yeah, alright guys, I'm not going to make you guys on Zoom sit here and watch this any longer. I think we jump off and leave it. I'll continue to watch this in the background. I'm just going to go get on with some other stuff. I got more important things to do than watch gold go sideways. So, actually, wait, before we go, Zoom guys, let's just show what we're actually overall looking for today. Before we go, everyone's already gone. In order for me to want to take longs today, I'm going to wait for a closure back above here. You can see here, this is a decent area. If we get back above here, remember this current daily has no top wick yet. You look at the daily, there's no top wick on gold on this daily, and we're grabbing previous daily lows. So could today flip bullish and come and create that top wick? It's very possible. It's very, very possible. So I am open to that. But if I want the longs, I'm gonna wait for an hourly closure. Wait, how long to the 4 hour closes? An hour and 20. Yeah, actually, I'm going to wait for this 4 hour to close. Kind of have 2 equal lows down here, which is a bit annoying as well. But we'll wait for this 4 hour close, and I'll update you in Discord anyway. But ideally, we want to see you guys on YouTube. Won't be in Discord, whatever. You want to wait for a closure above here, and then you got longs up into here. If you do start breaking back below this level here, then you also have very clean sells into there. So break above here, you got buys all the way up into there. Break below here, you got sells all the way down into there as well. And if you break below, if you grab this top wick before the news can send this lower. Or if before the news, remember you got news at 1:30 London time. If before the news you end up coming back down here without grabbing these highs here, then there's a high chance you could see news continue to push higher on gold, which would actually be a very, very nice trade. But it's super simple. You're in a range, closures above here, buys up into here, closures below here, sells down into there, and closures. Like yesterday, it looked like it was going to break out, didn't close above, straight back down. So wait for it to actually close. Wait for it to actually close above or below, and then amazing. We'll look for the trade. But I'll update you guys in Discord. in about an hour and 20 once we get this 4-hour closure. I don't think this Audi's going to show too much just yet, but yeah. Close the laptop, come back, same time for that 4-hour closure, and we'll have a look, guys. So yeah, appreciate you guys tuning in. Small little loss today, but it's all good. We managed our risk, and I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow and for the pre-New York market outlook. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to shoot off there. Goldie's just stuck in this range, but you guys have my game plan now for the rest of the day. Remember, there is that news at 1:30 London time, core PPI, which is probably going to have a lot of volume, which is probably why gold's ranging. But it's simple. Close the laptop, set some alerts. You know, that's literally what I'm going to do right now. I'm literally just going to go like this. I'm going to set an alert here. I'm going to set an alert here. Until my alerts go off, I do not need to even think about charts. Once my alerts do go off, amazing. I'll fire back up the charts. But I'm literally going to close the charts now and come back once the alerts go off. So I'll see you guys on YouTube. Same time again tomorrow, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Trade news safe. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.